Wagwan my viewers, wagwan my subscribers. Jamaica Wildlife for the next adventurous video again. Today we are doing some dove hunting. Male species wild pigeon, ringtail pigeon, ball plate, white belly. But tell you what, this adventure is like crazy because you have to know what you do. And me really gonna best hunter.
Yeah man, I see it.
Yeah man, him know everything. Days, them place I went him chat. You see me? Right now, just a rebuild one gun. Yeah.
But the one kind of weird, see me? When I stretch it, kind of they go back too much.
Yeah.
So man, some firmer one now to wrap it. You hold the tension on this when you pull it, you have a better aim.
Yeah. So in case you no wonder that I want me to tie the bandage around it. So as you hear him just explain, say it firmer. And that easy to get a bicycle tube, that's bicycle tube.
Yeah man, a bicycle tube man.
Final step on the slingshot finish. Just in case some of you guys are wonder what we are use to shoot and stuff. That's how it look like, and so what we are use as shot marble.
Yeah man, just don't build man, see me, ready to kill, you know?
Oh fuck! Out here. Out here guys. One of the best shot in history.
How you feel it, this I think you don't feel it.
Yo. Yeah. Guys, the targeted species. You know how long we want them. Woo!